Hey Tuck followers, Keith here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Amerisleep AS3 mattress. Now Amerisleep is known for making memory foam mattresses. They have a line of 5 beds, the AS1 through AS5, all similar construction but varying in firmness. So the AS3 is their middle-of-the-road firmness mattress. How does it stack up to Tuck's tests? Keep watching to find out. Testing the mattress today, we have lightweight sleeper Rachel, average weight sleeper Zach, and heavyweight sleeper Alandris. To unbox the AS3, grab a friend and move the box to its final destination. Remove the roll-packed mattress from the box and unwrap. Give it about 24 to 48 hours to fully recover. The Amerisleep AS3 is a 12-inch memory foam mattress. The cover is made from a mix of polyester, Celliant, and spandex. The comfort layers consist of 3 inches of 4 PCF memory foam over 2 inches of 1.65 PCF polyfoam. The support core is made up of 7 inches of 1.8 PCF high-density polyfoam. The AS3 falls at about a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, making it a medium mattress. This is a slightly softer memory foam mattress, so it's going to conform closely to a sleeper's body, and it's going to feel more like a sleeper is in versus on the mattress. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found that all 3 of our sleepers received adequate support from the AS3. That said, our lightweight sleeper received better support than our average and heavyweight sleepers. To illustrate motion isolation, we put a water glass on one side of the mattress and have our heavyweight sleeper Alandris move around the opposite side. Being a memory foam mattress, the AS3 performed well in the motion isolation tests. It does absorb a significant amount of that motion transfer, and you really don't feel partner disturbance across the surface. Edge support refers to how much a mattress pushes back or holds a sleeper up when sitting on or sleeping close to the edge. As expected and not uncommon with all foam and memory foam beds, the AS3 did not perform as well, and all 3 of our sleepers felt significant sinkage when sitting on the edge of the bed. When sleeping close to the edge of the bed, they also experienced that feeling of potential roll-off or being unsupported. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to tell just how much pressure the AS3 mattress relieves from a sleeper's body. Taking a look at our readings, all 3 of our sleepers received adequate pressure relief. That said, our lightweight sleeper received more pressure relief than our average and heavyweight sleepers. You can see that Zach had a little bit of pressure on his shoulder while sleeping on his side, and Alandris had quite a bit of pressure on his shoulder when side sleeping. Taking a look at temperature neutrality, all 3 of our sleepers felt that the AS3 did trap some body heat and warm up throughout the night. That's to be expected with denser memory foam and all foam beds. They do heat up more than their inner spring and latex counterparts. Now, let's take a minute to check in with our sleepers. So Rachel, what did you think of the AS3?
I thought it was pretty good. I'm usually a side sleeper, but I felt like my back was a little bit more supported, maybe because of the firmness with it. But yeah, I liked it.
It's certainly a comfortable bed. It might be a little too comfortable for me though.
Too comfortable? Yeah. Explain that.
Well, the top layer is super soft and very comfortable, but I feel like I sink in a little bit too much and it becomes a little suffocating.
Not my cup of tea, Keith. I could not get comfortable in this bed no matter what position I was in.
Too soft?
Too soft, and it did run hot for me.
I felt like it was a little bit hot, just because it's so soft, it sort of enveloped me a little bit.
Sleeping close to the edge of the bed, did you feel supported or not?
Not at all, not at all. Matter of fact, it was quite scary sleeping on it.
Not really. I felt kind of, especially laying near the edge, like there was a possibility I could roll off.
Being so soft, that top layer, felt a little uncertain on the edge.
And then motion isolation. How'd this thing perform?
With the glass test, I was impressed, but it was the opposite effect with other sleepers on there with me. Why, I have no idea, but I thought it would be better with other sleepers.
I thought the motion isolation when someone else was on the bed with me was really disruptive. Like not only them just getting on and off the bed, but them rolling around was definitely something I could feel. So sleeping through the night, maybe not a good idea.
I felt a little bit of movement, yeah. I typically go to bed later than my partner, and she definitely woke up when I got back in bed.
It was okay with my knee issues. It was okay getting on and off the bed, rising up. It wasn't that bad.
The top fabric is actually very smooth, and I think just adds to that initial comfort that you get, so I really appreciated that.
The middle of the road firmness, I could see it being working for my partner and I. He likes it a little firmer, I'm probably a little softer, so this kind of met both our needs.
Thanks, Rachel.
Thanks, Keith.
Now let's take a look at how the AS3 stacked up in our mattress tests. This mattress has a memory foam feel, so it's very conforming. You get that hug from the mattress, and it will feel like you're sleeping in versus on the bed. Support was very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Motion isolation was very good and edge support was fair. Pressure relief was very good for lightweight sleepers and good for average and heavyweight sleepers. Lastly, temperature neutrality was fair. Here are a few takeaways based on our mattress testing. This bed has a more traditional memory foam feel. So if you like a bouncier bed, like a traditional innerspring, this is not the mattress for you. If you need strong edge support, so you are a larger sleeper and you sleep closer to the edge of the bed, or you have a tough time getting in and out of bed, this mattress probably is not the one for you. If you sleep hot, this is a memory foam bed. It's got some denser foams in there. It has a tendency to trap body heat, so I'd recommend looking at another mattress. Heavier weight sleepers might find this bed too soft and not find the support that they need. Here are a few recommendations based on our mattress testing. Light and average weight sleepers will appreciate the firmness and support that the AS3 offers. Side sleepers will probably enjoy the firmness of this mattress and the conforming nature of the build. If you like the construction of this bed, but you think you might want something softer or firmer, Amerisleep does have 4 other models, AS1 through AS5. They differ a bit in firmness and price, but the construction is similar. So you'll probably find one that fits your needs. Here's some information you'll want to know before purchasing the AS3 mattress. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, ships free, and comes with a 20-year warranty. Years 1 to 10 are unlimited, and 10 to 20 are prorated. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review at tuck.com. That's it for our Amerisleep AS3 mattress review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. For up-to-date pricing and exclusive discounts for Tuck followers, check the description below the video or visit the full written review at tuck.com. Don't forget to check us out on social. We're on Facebook, Twitter. We're always doing great giveaways and we'll keep you up to date on the latest sleep research. Sleep well.